6 steps to creating a video. Making videos might seem intimidating, time-consuming, or just plain scary. But if you do it right, it can be a great way to engage your audience. Follow these steps to creating your video. Step 1. Find your topic. Think of your topic and the general storyline from start to finish. What is your beginning, middle, and end? Finding a popular and engaging topic for your YouTube channel can be an exciting but challenging task. Before committing to a specific topic, create a few test videos to see how well they perform and how much interest they generate. This allows you to gauge the potential of your chosen niche. Write your script. Write the different scenes that you will shoot and the narration or lines that will accompany each shot. Script is very important for your video. Step 3. Shoot each scene. Shoot footage for each scene of your video. Remember to shoot extra footage in case you need additional content. Step 4. Edit your video. Take all of the pieces of your video and add them to your editing software to start building the final video. Edit your videos to remove mistakes, enhance visuals, and add engaging effects if necessary. Step 5. Add music or audio. Consider the sound effects or music you might add. Adjust your audio so it is balanced and even. Final touches. Add any final titles or subtitles needed and export your video for sharing.